Fix tbbmalloc.dll missing or not found error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Perform SFC and DISM scans. First, make sure that system file corruption is not causing the issue. You can run an elevated command prompt for that. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, you can employ any reputable third-party anti-malware, although you can always resort to free options from Microsoft Security Scanner. If that didn't work, Fix 3. Install all Windows updates. Make sure that all the updates are installed to iron out any bugs. Fix 4. Verify the integrity of game files. If you are encountering the tbbmalloc.dll error when attempting to launch games, you should verify the integrity of game files. Fix 5. Reinstall the affected software. Another way to solve the error is to reinstall the software in question.